Hello and welcome back to another Cyprus photography tours. Today I am at Pafos Old Town and it is gone 5:08, so we have about an hour to sunset. So we'll probably go into a bit of a blue hour as well. And I'm not shooting with my camera today, we're actually going to be shooting with the iPhone 17 Pro. I thought we'll change it up a bit so you can see if you do join one of these tours and you don't have a camera, a mobile phone doesn't have to be the latest or greatest, are good options for point and shoots. And these are great cameras, so this is what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to put you on my chest and we're going to take a walk around Old Town. I will put settings on screen now for what I use for my iPhone, but the great thing is that we have multiple focal lengths. It's like we have a zoom lens, and I could do portrait and landscape. I do like this. We're probably going to go landscape. We're going to come across a bit to shame the tree blocks. And we're going to do, so we got 24, 28, 35, as well as a 2x, 4x and an 8x. But I thought the 1x was good here. We'll wait for a car to come by. Lovely, we'll wait for another one, just in case. The good thing is we can review those shots too. While the sun is nice here, try and make most of the light. See, I like this framing as well, if you can see. I kind of need to come close up, but it's just that tree is really randomly placed, it's not symmetrical. What if I do a 2x? 2x, wait for the car. Cafe Nero looks great here as well. So this is ultra wide, which I don't want. I think that's too wide. Let's go a little bit lower down. We'll wait for someone to walk in frame. There we go. And we kind of like this edge as well. If we come over here, it's amazing in one location you can get so many different shots. If we go down a bit, maybe if we come closer. And we'll try the ultra wide, hide my shadow. I don't know if you'll see that. Oh, I'm kind of liking this. All right, let's take a walk. And we can always come back because we could do a nice little loop round. I think we'll walk this way. So this is just so easy. No heavy camera gear, just the phone. The case I have attached is actually Freewell's case, and you can attach the anamorphic lens, but that's more for video. Which way do we go is the question. Let's go this way. I'm actually shooting in Pro Raw. So yeah, you would have seen the settings by now on screen. So if you have any questions about the settings, let me know in the comment section down below. Look at the cat over here. Should we see if we can get the little cat on the 8x? Perfect. And I might switch to portrait mode, put it onto the 4x as well. We can always crop in later. He looks very spooked. So the good thing is when you shoot in portrait mode is that you can always adjust the focus point later, as well as the styles. And I can show you some of those in the future video too. This is kind of a nice sunset spot up here. And I kind of like the tower there in the distance too. I'm going to switch back to photo mode. We're going to go 4x, there we go. I think a lot of the photos today might end up being portrait. It's just naturally how we hold our phones. So normally we don't have our phones open and just like walking with it on. There's another cat here. I don't want to spook it. I want to see if I can use the 8x to get it. Hello, mate. If you can see it, let's flip the phone a bit. Might be better on portrait mode. This is actually really hard to see because I don't have a tilt screen. More cats today. There's going to be cats in every video. I want to see if there's going to be a run of when we don't have cats. I do like the bike. I just don't like the angles right now. Should we do 2x here? And maybe if you come a little bit closer. Oh, I kind of like these flowers. So if you try and do close up here. There you go. Okay, let's carry on. This is a nice evening walk. Pafos tends to be cooler as well than the other cities because it's more mountainous. Oh, look at, there's just cats everywhere. I do like this guy, so we have to make the most of the. Can we frame him up? I do like this. The framing of this is kind of cool. Hello, mate. Are you okay? Oh, he's a little bit. Oh, it's a good stretch there. I'll leave you napping. I do like the light on this building right now. And I'm gonna do a close-up and I'll probably AI out the rest. The good thing is with iPhone photos, this is what I do a lot. Whenever I shoot, I always edit them later. However, for the rest of this video, I will be editing them in Lightroom. But normally when I'm just pointing and shooting, I just like edit on my phone. Let's go over here and then we'll walk around. Okay, lots of traffic. Nice light here. Let's keep walking up. I don't know how we're gonna make use of this. Is this a telephoto? Oh, I just got that in time. I just got in that time, so I don't know how that's going to turn out. I mean, we have a selection of photos. If you go to the Photos app, we'll see how they come out in the edit. Usually an edit can help make a photo as well. And if we get to the top here, we'll be at the top and there'll be more on the right from the square, and then we'll be on the other side of where we started. There were some birds, there was I don't know if we'll get that before it moves. Can you see the pigeon? Dead center. If we're gonna get that. How's this gonna work? 8 times? 4 times? With the flare? I was gonna plan to come here earlier. I think during the day is slightly better with the harsh light, with the contrast between light and shadows with the building. But I ended up going to Lachir to fly the FPV drone, which is why I'm doing this now. I'm gonna do it 1 times again, but let's go a little bit lower and probably use this line here. Let's try this one here. Can we get some of those windy flags? Yes, we'll wait for this person to cross. Hopefully, because she's got a red dress as well. Nice, wait for the car. Again, yes. I thought that we'd take a couple of shots there. I think that one with the 2 cars in between is nicer. Oh, the light that's come out now. Look at that. You can see my shadow. Wait for the car. Okay. Alright, I think we're gonna call it here so I can charge the Go 3S. I'm gonna get something to drink and then we'll head down there. Alright, we're back. I actually came back to Cafe Nero, so we walk back up again. But in the meantime, the sun is setting. I don't know if you'll see this, but I will take a picture. That is 8 times zoom. I'm gonna line it up with the grids. This is why you use the grids. Nice bright orange sun dipping behind the sea. Lovely sunset. Earlier with Between the Clouds was incredible. And we'll take some photos. We're gonna get some nicer stuff now because we're gonna have lights to play with. So didn't really want to do a low light video so quickly. Let's go back out. I don't like that bin there. Okay. Let's see what we can find. It's a nice little corner here. Go really wide? No. That's 2x. I kind of like the 35mm. Actually, this, so I can crop in a bit. Let's do 1.2. There we go. I wonder how many shots are shot wide versus narrow. I kind of want to do an upward shot. Actually, this framing is quite nice with the sky. There we go. If you can see that. Okay, struggling to find something to take pictures of. So we've gone that way. The next best route to go is up and then down. And we'll go up that way. Oh, this looks really nice for here. Is this someone's house? This looks dope. I'm gonna go wide here. What is this place? Wow. It's actually so dead. Why is it so dead? 2x again. I think this looks good. What is around here? There's like these little gateways. What is this house? Is this someone's house? I mean, I kind of like the vibe of this, but it's just like, don't like the air conditioning. How can I hide it? And let's walk this way. There's a cat. He's come out for his night. There's another one here as well. Hello, mate. What are you doing? We'll take another picture of this cat here. He's focused on someone coming up. Okay. So we have the bus stop around here. This looks kind of nice. Hello, this one's friendly. Hello. All right. Oh, you're so quick. Oh my God, it caught it. That's amazing. Look, that's you. That's you. That's a great photo. That's my favorite photo. Hello. There's two of them. I've just noticed the artwork as well. There's a giant cat looking at a fishbowl. I can't believe that photo. That's the best photo I've taken today. I think this guy's trying to follow me. Oh, you're really friendly. Do you want to say hello to everyone? Should we do a selfie? Look, let's do a selfie. Look at that way. Look at this way. Look this way. I can't believe that worked. Oh my God, there's two of them. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Hold on. This is like, why are you both so friendly? You gotta stay straight, mate. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Oh God, he's trying. You're making my life difficult. There we go. We can't leave you out as well. You know what, man? This is the benefit when you use the selfie mode, is that you can go wide by clicking this button here. Oh, wait, what's going on? It's frozen. So that you can go extra wide, and if you click this, you can go landscape because it's got that new mode. Look at the way this guy is chilling right now. I'm gonna go portrait without disturbing him because this guy, he's literally giving me bangers right now. Like that. Right, let's see where we're at time-wise, because we spent ages with those cats, but I think I pulled off the best shot today. You let me know in the comments if you think that's the winner. I could not believe how friendly he was, and he distracted me from this. This is a classic iPhone shot, right? Gonna go wide. Oh, look at that. Other than what's in front of me, I like the, so if you can see my framing, I've got the building in 1/3 here, and then the sky in the top corner, and then the ground in the bottom corner. Like during the day, it's really nice colors here, but because it's obviously we're in shade and it's light over there, it's kind of different. I do like this building, but I don't know how I'm going to capture it. Extra wide, there we go. And I am using night mode, that is on. We're gonna go to portrait. There we go. This bar's kind of cool. Okay, we are back at Cafe Nero. So it's a nice little loop. Old Town can be buzzing. It just depends on time of year. But depends on the time of year you come. Depends on the day you come. It depends on the time of day you come. There we go. Oh, we got some motion blur. Alright. I'm kind of liking the wide shots right now. Sign motion. Can't really control the shutter with the native camera app. Right. Let's shoot. There's a moon over there. There's the moon. So let's do a pano because this looks kind of nice. Can we zoom in too? Oh, look, this is new. I did not know you could do this. Probably do 2x, that looks better. So I'm just gonna press, and then that turned out, wait, what? Where's the rest of it? That can't be right. Yeah, there it is. Oh, really? Is that, it's that zoomed in? Okay, well, for some reason it doesn't let me see the whole thing on my phone. Well, that's new. So the Go 3S ran out of battery, and that means that's the end of this week's FPV POV. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what camera combo and lens combo that you want to see. I do have an idea of what I want to shoot next, but if you want to see something specifically, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out the website of Cyprus Photography Tours. So if you ever come to Cyprus, whatever time of year, and you want to join a tour, I'll be glad to help you navigate Cyprus, and we'll take some awesome photos together. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.